Hey guys, Cody here today with the review of the Tech21 iBand, a rather unique style type of case, if you want to call it that, for the iPhone 3G and 3GS. Now they went ahead and sent this to us, and you can find this around the web for an average price around $29.95. I will provide a link to one of their resellers, which is mygearstore.com, for that price, and let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. Alright, so here we have the Tech21 iBand, a very special type of case, and it's debatable whether you want to call it a case or not, but it's made from a D3O material, and the case itself is made from a hardened form of the material, but what it is in its raw form, here we have pictures, it's sort of a putty-like material and it's very impact resistant. What is special about D3O is that when you apply force to the D3O material, what happens is the molecules within the D3O tighten up and harden and disperse the force throughout the iBand to protect your device. So pretty cool material. I wish I had a sample to test it out, but we don't, so let's move on. Now let's go ahead and throw the iBand on our phone, and I have to say, putting the iBand on the phone is quite difficult. Now what I usually do is pop in my buttons first, so power button, volume rocker, and then flip over the bottom two sides, and that last corner can be difficult at times. It's a very tough rubber-like material with a little bit of give, so it's tough to get it over, and sometimes you get some overlap on the iBand like we have here. So putting on the case at times can be a hassle. Alright, so here we have the iBand on the iPhone, and you guys can see why I say it's debatable whether you want to call it a case or not, because it just goes around the sides of the phone and leaves the back of the phone completely exposed. So debatable whether you want to call it a case or not. Now once again, it goes around the sides, all the way around, and you guys can see on the bottom it does have a cutout for your sync tray, but it's very recessed, so it's pretty deep down in there. And it's the same for the volume rocker and your vibrate switch. They're pretty recessed, but you can access them. And here on the top we have our headphone cutout, which is a little bit off to the side and very recessed. So once again, all the buttons are recessed just like the power buttons, pretty deep down in there, and that's pretty much for the protection of the phone. Now your camera cutout, no problems with that, completely exposed backside. Now if you're not a fan of the exposed backside, you guys can get some invisible protection or skins out there so you don't scratch the back of your phone like bodyguards or Rapsol, so forth. You also do get a lay on the table design. It's a very slim lay on the table at that, but you do get that design. On the front you do have iBand and D3O. So I gotta say, it's a pretty unique style case. Now as far as protection goes, this case offers beastly protection. This is what the iBand is made for. You can go ahead and drop your phone, bam, no problem, you're fine. Now I don't recommend dropping your phone, but what's going to happen is when you drop it, that D3O is going to harden and the force is going to be dispersed throughout the iBand and your phone is going to be fine. Now I have been dropping my phone to test this out, and it is nerve-wracking, you know, dropping your phone all over the place and worrying about it, but no problems, no damage, no nothing. And even the back, nothing happened to the back of my phone. I didn't have to worry about scratches because it does sort of cover the sides of the phone when you lay it down. But man, does this offer beastly protection. And overall, I do feel that they can make some improvements on the Tech21 iBand, and those would be the cutouts. Because the cutouts as they are very recessed. In the first model that they came out with, they didn't have the cutouts. And now that they added them, they're very recessed and kind of hard to access, so making the cutouts a little bit less recessed would make the buttons more easily accessible, and I think that would be a nice improvement on the case. But as it is, it does exactly what it's supposed to do, and that is protect your iPhone. So that was my review of the Tech21 iBand. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, hope you found it informative, and if you guys want to go ahead and check out this product, I'll put a link to my gear store in the description. You can find it there for $29.95, and I will catch you all later. This is Castro5661. Peace.